NPTELHub.com, your one-stop solution for all NPTEL assignments and handwritten notes. But are you preparing for exam for cloud computing and looking for the best resources to help you succeed? Well, look no further. At NPTELHub.com, we offer an exclusive collection of handwritten notes specifically crafted for cloud computing, designed to make your learning journey smooth and effective. And the best part is that it is just for Rs 199. You get access to a comprehensive package that includes 12 weeks of detailed handwritten notes, 12 weeks of concise, short notes, and an essential formula PDF. This package has been meticulously curated to cover all the crucial topics you need to excel in your exams. Those notes are not just any ordinary study material, they are a result of countless hours of hard work, research, and dedication. Our team has worked tirelessly to ensure that you have access to the best content that is both easy to understand and highly relevant to your coursework. We know how important those notes are for your success, and that's why we have made sure they are comprehensive yet concise. Now let's take a look at what you will get access to after purchasing this amazing package. Here on Google Drive, you will find a complete set of handwritten notes, short notes, and the crucial formula PDF, all organized and ready for you to dive in. As you can see, everything is neatly organized, making it easy for you to find exactly what you need when you need it. Whether you are revising for an exam or quickly brushing up on key concepts, these resources will be your perfect study companion. And here's the best part, we are going to save you some money. We are offering a special discount just for you. Use the coupon code ATKIK10 at checkout to get an additional 10% off. Visit nptelhub.com today and start your journey to success in cloud computing.